Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Nissan Murano gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is usually found on the floor to the left of the driver's seat. Give it a firm pull to unlatch the fuel door. You should hear a click as it releases. This simple action is the first step to refueling your Murano quickly and efficiently. Once you've pulled the release lever, walk to the rear of your Murano, specifically on the driver's side. You'll notice the fuel door is now slightly open. Simply use your hand to gently pull it open the rest of the way. This reveals the fuel cap, which is the next component you'll need to interact with to access the fuel tank itself. It's a straightforward process. Now that the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll hear a few clicks as it loosens, indicating it's unsealing. Keep turning until the cap is completely free from the fuel filler neck. Most Murano models have a small hook or holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can conveniently hang the cap while you refuel. With the cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Nissan Murano. Once you've finished, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a secure seal. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches firmly into place. You're all set to continue your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.